Hello guys, so I took them out of heater core for my T680 2017. So my heater core started leaking inside the cab, outside, by all those tips. So I just took them out and see. So we find problem. The problem is, before you want to throw out, you have to check all this, all rings. So I just find it. It was from here, just like that. And mine is leaking. See it, it's damaged by the heater, no? So that's his part number. If you want to throw to the dealer 400 even bucks, first you check it out. Took them out. It's easy. You have all this clip. It's going in like that. And this clip, you go around. Took them out by knife, by something sharp. Open up here, just like that. So I want to change O-rings, put back and save some over $400. I guess soon was installed. I'm good. In this video, put new O-rings, push it down, get a click. Next one, now we're gonna install a clip. Just like that. And next one. That's it.